One hot summer day, a crow was feeling very thirsty. It flew all over the fields looking for water, but all was in vain. For a long time it flew here and there, but it could not find water to quench its thirst. It felt very weak and almost lost all hope to find water. Suddenly it saw a pitcher below a tree. It flew down to see it had any water inside. Yes, it could see some water at the bottom of the pitcher. The crow tried to push his head into the jug. But the crow could not reach the water with its beak. The neck of the pitcher was too long and the water level was too low. Then it tried to tilt the pot for the water to flow out, but the pot was too heavy and didn't move an inch. The tried crow thought hard for a while. It looked around and found some pebbles, which gave it a good idea. It picked the pebbles one by one and dropped them in the pitcher. As more and more pebbles were dropped into the pot, the water level started rising. Soon, the water level was high enough for the crow to drink from it. It drank the water, quenched its thirst, and happily flew to its destination. The story of the thirsty crow shows us that every problem is solvable if you work hard to solve it. For a long time, it flew here and challenges in your life bring you down. Work hard and use it to learn and grow.